Hello friends, this is Satish from MSIT Park. In this project, we are discussing handwriting digit recognition. So these are images written by hand. So first image is 8 and second image is 5. These digits are written by hand. So now let's see our project will recognize these images or not. Okay. So okay. What are the image names? Pick one and pick two. Okay, so go to the code configure.py, edit anyhow. Okay, yeah, pick one.jpg already have chosen and minimize it. Okay, uh yes, navigate to the project location, cd space. Okay, okay, now let's run the project. Okay, python 3 main.py. Yeah, we are done. See, so pick one is 8. Let's check pick one is 8 or not. Yeah, pick one is 8. Successfully we got output. Also we'll check this image also. Pick 2 is a, we'll check pick 2 also. Yeah, go to the configure.py and change pick 1 as pick 2 and let's run again the python code. Okay, yeah, the predicted digit is 5 there. Yeah, anyhow successfully we did our project. Okay, that is handwriting digit recognition. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.